Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope that you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from UNICE and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details, links, and information located in the info section below. So if you guys are interested, be sure to check there. So here is the wig that I picked up. This is a brand new wig, a part of their collection. This is their new 5x5 high definition glueless lace wig. You guys can see it does have that 5x5 thin high definition lace. It does have one comb. It also has that breathable mesh cap. It has the silicone backing in those little carved out ear tab design, making it super comfortable, and it conforms to your head. And if you're a glasses wearer, this is going to be suitable for you. So the wig that I have is in this gorgeous water wave texture. My wig is 24 inches long, 180% density. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on to let you guys see what it looks like. Now you guys do notice that high definition lace is showing up a little bit light on my skin due to my lighting. For the sake of this video, I will be using a little bit of my Ebin lace tint spray in the color medium dark, I believe. If you guys are interested, I'll be sure to leave a link in the info section below. I went ahead and I sprayed a little bit on my lace, and now you guys can see how it just melts right in. Now I will be pulling out a little bit of baby hairs just because it's just my thing. These baby hairs are so incredibly soft. I was able to just brush them right out. Now I am using a little bit of my gel just to kind of mold them down. I will be brushing those out later so that they look real nice and soft. Now I am going to apply my little elastic band just along the hairline just to kind of get everything to melt in and to be nice and set. I didn't use any sprays, adhesives, glue, tape, nothing like that, because I did want to see how well this wig is going to hold up, being that it is a high definition glueless lace wig. I'm just now spraying the hair down using a little bit of water. I did apply a little bit of my mousse to the hair just to kind of get a nice hold on these water waves. I'm now brushing through it using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and now I'm just scrunching the hair in my hand just to kind of get those waves to pop. If you have a diffuser attachment, you're going to now just diffuse the hair. If I really wanted to, I could have just went right outside and sat out there for a good 10 minutes. My hair will be fully dried. However, it's just too hot. I don't got time for that. I'm sitting under the AC. I'm just going to use my diffuser blow dryer. So my hair is about 95% dry. I'm now going to remove my edge bands, and then I'm taking that edge brush just to soften up those baby hairs. And you guys can just see how very natural these baby hairs look. They don't look too bold and outlandish. But now I'm going in using a little bit of my powder in the parting space just to get that part to pop. And you guys, this is what this wig is looking like. This is definitely a throw on and go wig, wear and go. It requires literally no work at all. Like, if you guys want to put in some work or some effort to kind of personalize the wig for yourself, it is completely up to you, but it's totally not required. You don't really see wigs like this too often on Amazon, so I'm so happy that UNICE decided to launch their high definition wig collection. You're literally able to get a very realistic looking wig for the low. It's not going to cost you $500, $600. I believe this wig was around $226, I think. I will leave the price in the info section below, or you guys can click the link. But this wig is definitely gorgeous. If you guys wear glasses, you're not going to experience that uncomfortable feeling behind your ears. My glasses just popped right on. I was ready to go This wig is definitely super updated. It meets a lot of our standards and it's so easy to wear, to style. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of really simple styling options. Of course, I do like to kind of, use my little clip and clip up the back of the hair. So therefore it's off of my neck, being that it's so hot outside. This is the first option. It looks really cute. It's suitable for going to church. It's suitable for going to school or just being outdoors. So yeah, I just went ahead and used this cute little gold clip and clipped up my hair. Now I'm going to give you guys the second option. I do like to kind of pull out the very front of like the quote unquote antler areas and then just put the rest of the hair back in a cute little ponytail. This is definitely a very simple style. If you're going to school, if you're going to work, it's super effortless. It's tied up so you don't have to worry about it blowing around in the wind. If you guys do have some wind going on, I know we do. We're currently in monsoon season, so we're getting a lot of dust storms. And here is the next styling option. I just kind of like to pull it behind my ears. Now this is definitely my go-to style for when I am driving and wearing my glasses. The hair is behind my ears. I can just go ahead and pop on my glasses and I can kind of give it a cute little pizzazz with the little antler hair area. But for the most part, you guys do check out UNICE. They are available on Amazon Prime. You guys can definitely take advantage of this wig. They do have a 6% off discount when you add the wig to your cart. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.